Hi, so just a quick video to show you how quick and easy it is to use the Baumer Verisens Smart Camera for robot pick and place coordinates pickup. So we've got some nice and simple tools that enable us to give positional information of where items are to be able to pick up by a robot. So giving us X, Y coordinates as well as the rotation. So off we go. So all we do, once we've got our software loaded, the Verisens application suite, make sure the lighting is correct, the image is in focus, all that type of thing. And then we go into the tools. Go to add here, and we want to do finding the object positions. Click OK. And now all we do is pick one of our items that we want to detect. Just do around here. So just draw a box around it. Adjust the box size to the item. Just adjust some of the characteristics to be able to pick up on the matching shapes. And of course, we only want to do it within the field of view that we're interested in, or area of interest that we are interested in here. Okay, let's just teach that item again. Okay, let's just have a look at the model, what it looks like, and we can remove some extra bits that are not of interest, maybe the center where we're getting a bit of reflection, etc. in there. Let's have a look. Okay, and then we can see straight away which items have matched this taut one straight away. So that's a 68% match, that's a 57% match, that's a 53% match. And we can lower the threshold, and you can see I've got 8 blocks here which is picked up on straight away, and those are those there with the crosshairs on them to tell us the percentage match and also the rotation for the robot to easily guide and pick up. So we can now go to reference position. This allows us to shift and rotate from the reference position in the X and Y axis, and also in degrees rotation. And it can give the output to the robot controller, whatever it may be, in the output that we define, whether it be X, Y, and then the angle of the object, or just the X, Y correlation. And we can sort them in any order that we want, whether it be X ascending, and you see those values are changing there, or whether it be Y ascending, Y axis ascending, and you see the values there, or X descending or Y descending, or correlation descending. You can limit the number of objects you wish to pick up on, so you can say the number of objects that should be in the field of view. Also, you can do that here for the maximum number of objects that you wish to consider. And also, if there are secondary checks that you want to do before you pick up the intended shape with the robot, you can click add and you can choose one of the other features that we have here, either contour points, brightness, or pattern comparison there. Nice and easy to add the tools, so just click on it and it allows you to just draw the box that you wish, and then it gives you the threshold that you wish to set as greater or equal to, or less or and equal to. And you can see the cluster of 8 points there that are all around there, and you can just click teach, and that will then show you how many have passed the secondary check and how many have pass the primary check. And there we go. So now you can see I've moved the blocks, and so they have different positions now, and so you can see that the output has changed on those coordinates that you see here. So it doesn't matter if the parts are touching, as long as there is a pattern match on the parts, you can give the coordinate output to your robot or robot controller to be able to give you the gripper position to be able to pick the items up. We also, within this range of Smart Camera, have our universal robots caps. So it's a integrated plugin which allows you to communicate directly to the universal robot, but you can use the coordinates just as they are on a taught field of view area of where to pick the items up. So excellent cost-effective solution for simple pick and place applications. So just to summarize, the Baumer's Verisens Smart Camera with variable lens, C-mount or fixed lens can be used for simple pick and place applications, for large or small robot applications, depending on the field of view you require and also on the complexity of part. But it's a nice simple solution that can be used with the integrated universal robots plugin or just standard coordinate output to a robot controller, giving you X and Y coordinates as well as rotation.